again. You're just wondering how we assemble the water droplet supply. Okay, tell you how it works. Let's do 2 colors. Let's get both. Okay. First, you need a water bottle. You take off the cap. It's faster doing it with one hand. First, you act the nozzle as the bottle cap, and you firmly place it on. Or let's do the dripping part.
Well, you gotta get the big one. It doesn't work with small. You put like that.
Okay.
And you put this in here like that.
We need replacement.
Get a bigger one.
Okay. I'll just pause this video.
Put in yourself.
Okay.
Do you know what to do?
Okay. You need to place it in. Look where the thinner one goes firmly in here. Is it?
Harder.
Push harder. Okay.
Okay.
And we need a screw.
Here.
Okay. Here's a screw. Tighten it up. Okay.
Okay. We get a bigger bottle.
You need a bigger water bottle. Here is what it looks like from the inside. Let's see the test. Let's make it go down. Well, let's see the one which is assembled. Where's the one which is assembled?
Here.
Oh. But first, I need to test when we are done. Okay.
Here's the green one.
We don't need this.
Here it is.
Here's the upgrade. Place the water bottle firmly. The droplet firmly onto here. Yikes! Dropped! We'll place it here so it's easier. But first, we need to fill it up with water. Fill it up with water. Make sure it doesn't fall out. Just fill it up with water all the way to the top. Okay. Place it firmly onto here. Let's see how it looks. Maybe we need to use it onto bye-bye water. It looks slow, right? But it's actually fast. Placing it with water is no good. Do we put it on? There. Okay. Unscrew the cap in the screw. Let's unscrew the cap. Make sure the cap is off. Place it somewhere where you could find it. And time for water. It takes a long time to fill. I'll show you what it looks like. Here's the water. Let's put in like this. We need to empty it. It was a fail. I think I need to pause this video. Okay, let's see what happens with half. Here's the nut.
You haven't put this one in yet.
Okay. Get this.
Yeah, you gonna watch or not?
It looks slow, but it's actually fast. Okay. It needs to drip in here. It needs to drip in here. It needs to drip in here. How is it going to drip in here? It needs to drip in here. Let's see. Let's loosen it a little bit more. This is the adjusting. It's not bubbling. Oh, it's dripping. Bye bye guys. See you in the next video.